Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bleaching my son's hair. He just got his hair cut yesterday and he said he wanted his hair to be this color. Actually, he wants to dye like the top of his. He has like a mohawk fade cut, and he wants the top bleached. So that's what we're doing today. I hope you guys had a good weekend. We did. We chilled this weekend pretty much. After, yeah, go get the step stool out the bathroom. After having a long week. But yeah, we pretty much chilled this weekend. Okay, let me get set up. So I've been trying to research everything. I never bleached anything. So I've been online trying to watch videos so we can do this right. On my drink. Trying to do this right. He being all impatient. He gonna look like a bird if he don't let me do this right. Look in the mirror. Come on, I gotta get in my seat. This ain't my seat. This is my seat. Okay. Don't make my charger fall. Hey, charger ain't gonna fall. This little. I ain't been set up in the kitchen in so long, so it's not acting right. Okay. Shut up. I'm thirsty. Y'all, these zero Gatorades is good. This is 0, 0, 0, everything. Oh, wrong way. Now he rushing me because his friend was here. Put that over there. Because his friend was here to pick him up. So he's trying to rush me. He gonna be leaving out of here looking like a my light better over here. He gonna leave out of here looking crazy, trying to rush me. You can't rush getting your hair bleached. Yes, you can. No, you can't. But you know what? I gotta stand up. I gotta stand up. You sit down. I got it. I got it. Look, don't tell me how to do it.
Good, you don't know how to do it.
I don't know why. I could set this up in a room perfect. But for some reason... Oh, well...
Just point the camera.
No, because...
Let me hold the camera.
No, because you're going to have it all shaky.
Oh, no.
Here, you sit right here. Now, okay. We're going to move this chair. Move the chair. You sit right here. Because this is where everything is. You sit right here. Because look, the camera going to be on me. Okay? We can't sit it. We'll sit it right here. Because I can't hold the camera and do this too. I don't know why it's not cooperating because I always sit it here. I always sit the camera here. And now for some reason it don't want to sit. Oh, there you go. It don't want to. It don't want to sit here. It don't want to sit here. Probably because I adjusted my stand. Sorry, y'all. It's moving around. Okay. I don't know why my stand don't want to act right today. But I always set my camera. Oh, you know what? I know what it is. I adjusted it. I adjusted this. Okay. And I forgot. I had it facing a different direction. Okay. See, that's what happens when you don't prepare. I need to get a couple cameras and have them set up. But that's what happened. That's why people have scripts. And that's why people organize. Dude, you ain't gotta do all of that right now.
Yes, I'm bored.
But miss, I don't need no camera. I don't need no script.
Why are you using your phone?
Cause I'm not using my phone.
Because you want to be perfect.
I'm not recording with my phone. I don't record with my phone. Not that there's nothing wrong with that, but okay.
You're going to move it, you're going to fall, and you're going to try to...
Shut up. It's not gonna move. There. Now we both in the camera. And I can sit down. Okay.
No, mess up my hair.
Shut up. Ain't nobody gonna mess up your hair. Okay. Now give me that stuff. I don't need that yet.
You said give me that stuff, so you didn't say anything. So.
Okay, y'all. Now the one thing that I had an issue with, go bring me that conditioner and that shampoo over there. Now, the thing that I had an issue with that I was trying to find out. Now I messaged the girl that usually do my daughter's hair, and she did my hair a couple times too, but she ain't got back to me yet. So I don't know what I'm supposed to do. But I'm probably not gonna get a reply, but I think I'm just gonna look it up. Is when I rinse this stuff out, let me plug my phone up. Am I supposed to rinse it out with neutralizing shampoo? And I got some anyway, just to be on the safe side, or do I use regular shampoo? And so I go get the shampoo from off by the shower. Okay. Well, while he doing that, I got this.
What does it look like?
It looked like shampoo.
I don't know what that looks.
It's Suave Professional Shampoo. It's in a brown bottle.
Brown bottle.
Yeah.
I don't see no brown bottle over here.
It's sitting by the shower on that brown shelf. Ooh, I swear to God. If I got, look, it looked like this.
Nope, Mom.
Look in the shower. I'm not moving this camera. Hold on, y'all. Let me go look. No, I just paused it. Alright. It wasn't where I left it. Somebody always moving stuff, man. God. But I'm gonna look it up. I ain't never bleached nobody's hair. I ain't never bleached my hair. So we're gonna see how this come out. But I looked up a video, and the little boy, his hair came out right, but she didn't really get, like, the step that she took, she didn't really, damn, Go ask AD if he got some gloves.
Why do you need all this extra stuff?
Because I don't want no bleach on my hands. And I don't want to keep stopping
Gloves?
the video. Some gloves. Oh, look in the drawer and see if there's some rubber gloves in there. But I got the bleach powder.
What do you need gloves for?
For my hands. Don't pull the shelf the drawer all the way out. Push it in. I said go ask AD if
You
he
said
got.
go look in there.
Yeah, but ain't none in there. Go ask him if he got some rubber gloves. Look, he want me to do this for him. I could be somewhere laying down watching TV, chilling.
He said no. So, no. Use your hands.
All right, sit down. I can't stand y'all. And I got this. I can't stand these people in this house.
I'm gonna start picking my hair. I'm bored.
Shut up. You ain't finna pick nothing. Keep on. And then I got this. Probably if I be still, it'll probably focus. Leap.
I'm bored.
Keep on. I'm gonna whap you. There. Look, it focused as soon as I was finna pop you. I'm gonna hit you. And then maybe it'll focus. Well, come on. Hey. Maybe if I move my big head out the way, it'll focus. There it go. Focus. And then I got that. And y'all know what all this other stuff is. But yeah, in the video, let me turn it down. Like, she really do step by step look. Hold on, y'all. All right, y'all. I think I got everything. Now some gloves. Okay. Focus us in a little bit. Okay. Do you want to be in the video?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. We kind of dark. We look kind of dark. A little bit. The light ain't good, and I ain't feel like pulling out the light. We still trying to. Damn it.
Really, man?
Shut up. I'm trying to, I gotta call the school district Monday, because your Chromebook still couldn't log into that. I don't even know how much of this shit I'm supposed to use.
Oh. Look at the phone.
Okay.
I bet I'm real password.
Let me put some gloves on.
I bet.
Can you lift the
Oh, I keep getting up.
Shut up!
I got it like 4 times already.
So what?
What did I look
Here,
at?
I'll do it. Ooh, excuse me. Dang, bless you.
What?
I go a little light. Yeah, a little light. Dang.
Now when it pop open and get everywhere, they ain't gonna be mad.
It's not.
Rub it in my hand.
Shut up. I gotta mix it. You don't need that much because you ain't got that much hair. Dang, how you going? You just walked on. What you mean when I go to the store? Dude, we've been gone for like 30 minutes.
I said, where you come from?
We was in the store. get the excuse me. Go get bleach dust. Okay.
I'm a nut. I eat nut.
Okay. This enough? You think this enough, Aunt?
Yeah. What's that?
You think this enough?
Yeah.
Should be. I don't know. I ain't know you did that.
AJ, it hurt. It don't hurt.
Y'all think this enough?
I mean, he ain't got that much hair. I don't know. I don't know how much this stuff. Don't he say how much you're supposed to use?
This don't say nothing. This the you supposed to know what the hell you doing, kid.
Oh, I see you don't worry about a nigga. Just do as you please, kid. Oh, shit, baby.
I would put a little bit more.
Don't even make it on that.
Okay. Look, hey, you a boy, so
Don't work.
if it don't work and we mess up a little bit, you can always just cut it off. You don't like your gray hair no way. Y'all see his gray hair? Look, put your head in the camera. Hold your head down. See his gray hair? He was born with gray hair. He had gray hair since he was a little baby, and he does not like it. I told him to make him unique, but he don't like his gray hair. Okay, y'all. I put a little bit more powder in there just to be safe. His hair is like thick. Ow. So if it ain't enough, we'll mix some more. All right, y'all. I'm gonna put the developer in there.
I'm picking up your hair.
Okay, y'all. Putting the developer in there.
Almost done. Fine.
Shut up. Keep on.
You should get him a hairline. New
You
hairline.
mean a lining?
Yes. He's lining this stuff.
Ooh. I'm all off the camera, y'all. Okay.
What?
It stank.
Oh, not supposed to smell like gummy jars.
That smells gummy traps. That smells gummy traps.
All right, y'all.
That smells gummy traps.
Woo! It's stinky.
That's
I'm
stinky.
It's stinky, AJ.
That's stinky.
Do your hair.
One.
Okay. Put the top on here.
Looking fresh, man.
Okay.
Like that.
One more person.
I'm gonna take these gloves off. I'm gonna use them, but I'm gonna put some oil in his hair because they said to put oil in it because he ain't never had nothing in his hair. So I'm gonna do what the videos I watched said.
Good.
So and okay. This stuff stinks.
You need to put the clothes away?
Yeah, I got more.
You got more?
Yep.
What about clothes?
Oh, shit. Smells like it's so loud.
Okay. They said put some oil in there, so I'm gonna put some Put some oil in here. Come on, dude. Hold your head up.
Kinda hurt.
Oh,
Boy, shut
you
up.
don't know yet. You better hope you boy striking your head.
You grabbing my head.
Like being a crybaby, dude.
There's so much oil in it.
I'm not putting that much in there, dude. I'm just doing what the video said to do. They said put a little oil in it. Okay. They putting a little oil in it.
It's kinda hurt.
Oh my gosh.
Can you stop? You got my skull.
Dude, come on.
Cause you nugging my skull.
I'm nugging it. What's nugging it? Come on, man.
Why do you do this for? Do it to AJ. It's gonna hurt.
Okay, then it say put some. I got some Vaseline. They say put some Vaseline around the edges. Where you don't want the bleach at. You don't want no bleach around this part.
My hair.
I just want it all on my head.
I'm only gonna put it where we want the dye at.
Everywhere.
No, not everywhere. Oh, turn around. Turn your head. Turn. Okay, turn your head. Turn.
You pick me up from my knee.
Turn.
I don't feel like walking. And my hair hurt. You kept squeezing my hair.
Okay, Aunt, you turn.
No. You do it. I don't
And that's her.
Yes.
All right, y'all. Let me prep them up a little bit, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all. I got the bleach all mixed up. It's time to put it in. Turn around. He wanted. Let me do the front first. Turn to the front. He wanted. Hey, don't step on my toe. Okay. He wanted like down the middle. Turn around. He wanted down the middle.
Aunt.
Here, give me that towel. I don't want to get none on.
Aunt. Aunt, to that peak.
Like he wanted down
Aunt, let
the
me
middle.
see peak. Aunt, let me see peak.
It didn't move.
I want to see peak.
It's say pick.
Okay.
Peak.
That's what it's called.
Okay, let's put it a little bit. He wanted down the middle mostly.
Okay, you do my hair next. Here, play with this. Sit down. Play with that
Where you
one.
get it?
Okay? Okay? Yeah. You blow this up. Come on, dude. You blow
Hold your head
this
up.
up.
Hold your head up.
No. No. Can you please go get your tablet? Go get your tablet.
No.
I'm gonna get my tablet. We're not gonna record.
I'm not saying you were.
Oh, that's heavy. You see my tablet? That is gone. That's gone. Now I need it.
Okay.
I didn't see my tablet. Mom, you see my tablet? AJ, go get my tablet. AJ, go get my tablet.
Yeah, he don't want too much in the front. He wants it to be a little dark in the front. Hold your head up, boy.
I'm trying to make a American video.
That was quick. Hey y'all, as y'all can see, it's the color is changing real quick. You see? Yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there. So we only gonna let this sit in here for a few more minutes, and then we gonna wash it out, and then we gonna get this set. Look, I'm all out the camera. We gonna get this sassy gold color in there, and then we gonna see how it turn out. It look good. Look good, don't it? Okay. All right. I'm gonna wash them out, and then we'll be back. All right, y'all. All right, we about to rinse the dye out. Let me get the shampoo. That good? It's not too hot?
Not too hot, yeah.
Okay, hold your head down. You ain't gotta put it all the way down deep in there. Head down.
Because I was tired of this hair anymore.
Shut up.
It's true.
Bring me that neutralizing shampoo. I don't know.
Okay, what?
No, just, you know what?
Yeah, Antoine knows that. It's like, right. Yeah.
Bring me that neutralizing shampoo.
No, we don't. Jason Derulo is teaching song. Like,
That one you got? That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Neutralizer?
Yeah.
I just did. Mommy, I was gonna pick this one.
What?
But I was like, Antoine, so maybe you know who Jason Derulo is. He was like,
Nobody cares.
I ain't talking to you.
Yeah, it's very something.
Mommy, we're keeping in that,
That's okay. Here and there within this thing.
I know he is, whatever. He is so funny. Now I can see him.
Okay, it came out good.
Hmm?
The bleach, it came out good. We probably could have kept it in there a little longer in some spots, but we still got to put the other dye in.
His hair looks good. Mama, his hair looks like your wig.
Hold your head over.
Mama, his hair looks like your wig.
Yeah, Mom, London.
And a dog.
Turn your head to the side.
Yeah, and
Other
if
side.
you do water in your ears, just go feel
Girl,
like
shut up.
I tell you what you know.
Go sit down. Your sister gonna get beat. Okay. All right, dry your hair off. All right, y'all. Okay. Whew. sit down. Okay.
It's in there. It's in there. Oh my gosh, it looks so good in it. It's this door.
Came out pretty good. Ooh,
Mama,
about to lose the.
this
You
door.
about to lose the camera. Okay.
Mama, look at break that camera. Look at break that camera. Mama, can I touch his
We
hair?
ain't gonna break the camera.
Mama, can I touch his hair?
Okay. No, just leave it alone. Okay. But we still, it looks uneven, but that's fine because we still gotta put the other
No.
dye in.
Oh man, it's even
See,
darker.
because he wanted the brown still in the front,
Mom,
or the dark in the front.
Not it.
So you good,
Not
you
it.
good.
Not it.
Come on, dry your hair off.
Not it. Not it. Come on.
Okay,
Mom,
put
I
this
miss
developer
you.
stuff up. Okay. Now we put this stuff in. Okay, and then the towels right here. To towel dry hair, apply an ample amount of hair color. Working it until the hair takes less time to process. Rinse thoroughly until water runs clear.
Mommy, look at my shirt. Mommy, look at your shirt.
Working into hair color. With moderate heat for 25 minutes. Okay, you gotta leave this in there for 25 minutes. Okay. Alright, now it's time to put this in. What is this? Viva? Via? Viva? Alright, time to put this in. Okay.
Look at
It's kind of fun. I want to dye somebody else's hair now. You want me to dye your hair? Ooh, you know what we should dye it?
mirror.
We should dye your hair
I think it's
green.
I think it's a mirror. Here.
Okay. Firstly relax. Hair may take less time. Rinse thoroughly into water. Make sure not to put it too close to the hair. Okay. Okay, I'm just making sure I read all the directions good. Okay. All right, put that back on your shoulders.
Oh, yeah.
Boy, keep on.
And your hair's glitter now.
All right, we're gonna put the camera down and adjust it because I gotta stand up to do this part. So let me adjust this camera and I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, y'all, we about to apply. Okay. Y'all see? Ooh, girl. Make sure y'all can see us. Okay. We about to apply. Why it get so dark? It got dark in here?
Because it's getting dark outside.
There's outside. Keep on, yeah.
Is it getting dark outside? I didn't know that. Okay. We about to apply this this color. Never heard of it. Okay. So y'all can see us. Okay. We're about to apply this color. Get your face out of there. smell good.
Okay, copy me.
So how you like it so far?
Good.
You like it?
Copy me.
See, that was the only thing I was worried about. I didn't want to mess up. I ain't never
Like this.
bleached. I never bleached my hair before. I ain't never bleached nobody's hair before. We never did none of his hair but cut it. He got his he got a different haircut, and he wanted a color. And his barber asked him if he wanted a spray on color, and he said no. What's your hair? He wanted and he told me, he asked me if he could get a permanent color, and I was gonna find somebody that could do it. And I was like, well, why not try to do it myself? So I just went and watched a couple videos, and I was like, hey, I think I can do this myself. So I think I did okay. We'll see after we rinse this out. What time is it? 6:29. So they said 25 minutes. We gotta let this sit. It's supposed to sit up under a dryer, but we don't have a sit up underneath dryer, so hold your head back.
Go like this.
So he gonna put this bag on his head. 25 minutes.
Okay.
We gonna rinse it out. Hold your head back. And yeah. Uh-oh. They got on here. Well, might as well put it on the rest of your hairline.
Okay.
Since it got up there. I didn't want it to get on the hairline, but I got it on there, so.
What on the hairline?
This.
What is that?
This just the dye.
The brown?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't care.
Yeah. I mean, it ain't gonna do nothing but turn it a little bit, so.
Can't do it.
Head down.
Why do you do the sides?
Because you didn't want the sides. You said you wanted the sides to stay black. I think it's look better with the sides black. And it actually did come out like the same color as my hair too. Like the same brown. Said an ample amount. It came out good too.
I can't do it.
Okay, I'll put a little bit more on there and then I'm gonna let it sit. 25 minutes, then we're gonna rinse it out.
Yeah, I can leave.
And then you can leave.
Did it.
Head forward.
I did it.
You gotta get it on the back.
Straight. Okay, now copy me. Okay, copy me.
How much you put in it?
It said a lot. I want your hair to be even. Ample amount means a lot.
No.
What do you?
Mama, can I get the shell?
Hmm?
Can I get the shell?
No. Go sit down.
You ugly.
And I'm gonna take No. No.
Eternal tip pie. Allow
Excuse me.
it to cool.
Hey guys. So I put the color in. He been sitting there. Oh, excuse me. He been sitting there with the color on in the bag on his head for about 10 minutes. He complaining because he ready to go outside. He been sitting there with the color for about 10 minutes. He got about 15 more minutes to go. And yeah, it looked like it's coming out pretty good. So I'll show you guys the end result. Get off of there. On the toilet. Put that bottle in the garbage. Excuse me. But I think it came out pretty good. No, in the garbage in the bathroom. So I think it came out pretty good. But yeah, I'll show you guys the end result when we finish. So my only thing was I didn't know if I was supposed to use the neutralizing shampoo with the bleach. So I used it anyway. Because I know the neutralizing shampoo is supposed to stop the chemicals from working with the perm. So I used the neutralizing shampoo when I rinsed out the bleach, because I figured it'll stop the chemical reaction with the bleach. So if I was wrong, I hope I wasn't wrong. So
I'm touching my hair.
cut, look,
What?
I'm recording. So yeah, I used it to rinse out the bleach.
8
I don't know
more
if I was.
minutes.
I hope I'm not wrong. I hope I wasn't wrong, but it didn't do nothing. I don't think it did nothing. That's why I like recording when they sleep. At least the little one. AJ, where did AJ go?
That's London.
I know who that is. Where did AJ go? Come out the bathroom. Yeah, y'all laughing. Wait. Just wait. So yeah, I need to hurry up and rinse this stuff out his head so he can get away from me. Bugged me about putting this stuff in his hair and then he want to rush me through it. But yeah, I think it came out good. The bleach, it actually looked good with just the bleach. But I put the color in just to get the exact color that he wanted. So yeah, I like it. I think it came out real good. I'll be recording another video for you guys soon. No, go put your pull-up back on. Come out, go put your pull-up on and come out the bathroom. Then throw it away. Yeah, so yeah, came out good. I'm good. I can see the color coming in real good through that bag. So yeah. Oh my God, boy, if you don't leave me alone. No, you already washed your hands. I said no. Yo, I'm gonna throw this step stool at this little boy if he don't leave me alone. Go get a pull-up. Turn that light off in the bathroom. So yeah, I gotta go drop him off by his friend's house so he can get a couple hours to hang out. They gonna have something quick for dinner today. I wanted to go put this thing up today. We've been putting this pergola up for like a week. It's not even gonna take long. I think I might try to talk my husband into doing it. At least putting it up a little bit. Like, we've been home. I had to work Saturday, but we could have put that thing up. I think I'm gonna try to talk him into doing it. He probably not gonna do it now, but I think I'm gonna talk him into doing it because the baby sleep. I don't know how long he's gonna be asleep because he's been asleep for about an hour and a half, so he might wake up soon. He might have another good hour. AJ, get out of that water. Go get a pull-up. Go get a pull-up. Get out the bathroom, boy. You better get your son out that bathroom. I done told him like 3-4 times.
AJ, you out of there.
But
No,
yeah,
you out.
I think I'm gonna try to talk him into doing it. Cause I hate for stuff to sit too long. It's like giving me anxiety just sitting out there.
No.
Get it.
No. Stay your ass up there.
So, how long you got in? Aunt. Oh, he got them earbuds in. So, I'm hungry. I ain't ate nothing since, what time did I eat? Like 1? Since my intermittent fast time. So that was what, 1 or 2? So yeah. It's almost time to wash the stuff out this boy's hair.
How much more minutes I got?
I just asked you that.
Well, it's been 12 minutes.
I think we gotta wait till 7. So you got about it ain't been 25 minutes, dude.
It's been 12.
Oh, we gotta wait till 7. She in her room.
7 minutes. I mean 10 minutes.
That's why I can't drop you off at Kimani house. I forgot now you gotta work tonight.
I'll walk back.
I can't pick you up.
I'll walk back.
You gonna walk there too?
How am I supposed to walk all the way over there? And I can waste all my
So you want me to pick? I'll drop you off, but I can't pick you up. So you gonna walk home? Okay, so I'll drop you off. You gotta hurry up though, cause she gotta leave at like 7:30.
Well, I have to keep this bag on my head for 25 minutes.
The bag here, look.
How many minutes do we have again? Like 9?
You almost done. I don't want to see nobody get an attitude.
I want to leave.
Look, you can't rush. You can't rush perfection. You don't want your hair to be half done, do you? I know you hear me. Turn the music up. I'm gonna throw some red dye on top. You're gonna have a red-green streak in the top of your hair. Ugh. You little jerk wad. Okay. Yeah, you ain't got that much longer. So yeah. Alright guys. Let me get ready to wash this stuff out his head. I know this video probably is gonna be super long. I tried to shorten it up a little bit by taking some breaks so y'all didn't see the whole process, but yeah. But I'm about to wash this out and then I'll come back with the finished product. And yeah, so let me wash this out and I'll be back. Alright y'all, this is the end result. I think I did okay, but he said he wanted me to bleach it some more. Yep. This is the DIY home bleach. I think we did okay. We did alright. It's bleached at the top. He wanted it dark around the sides. So he said he wants it bleached all over. So I don't know how soon we can bleach it again, so we're gonna bleach the whole thing. Probably tomorrow or in a couple days.
You don't have to do that. I just want someone like a barber just like line me up right there and cut that off and then put that. All you need is some what's her name, and then you can do it. Just get a what's her name and cut that off. Like,
Because he don't like his gray hair, so that's what he want. And you can't bleach. Look, you can still see your gray hair.
No,
from the bleach.
no, you can't. It's like wide up. And the kids see it.
I know.
Exactly.
So he just trying to get rid of his gray hair. But yeah, I think it look okay. He just don't like his gray. I mean, he like it. He like the color, but he just won't. He trying to get rid of his gray.
All I gotta do is cut it off right here, like this.
Look, if you have any kind of hair, like if you want to get rid of all of your gray, then you have to cut all your hair off. If you have any hair, like the haircut that you got, you said you want hair. You want, excuse me. If you want any kind of hair, if you let your hair grow out any kind of way, you're gonna see your gray hair. So
bleach it all. Let's go.
all right, y'all, we gonna go. I'm gonna go drop him off at his friend's house. And yeah, I don't know. I'll see you guys. Don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed, be safe, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.
Peace.